internet predators, 75% of children are willing to exchange their personal information about themselves or their family, their relationships online. Now, in a way, that should scare you, mom and dad. That should make you even more than just aware. That should strike a chord in your heart that says, I must be vigilant. I don't know what it is in a kid's mind that tells them that that's okay. Because if somebody were to approach them on the street and ask them the questions that they so willingly answer online, freely and in abundance, if somebody were to come up to them on the street and ask them those same questions, they would, in the back of their mind, they'd be like, you're a creeper, I'm walking away. Stranger danger. More than 1 out of every 10 teenagers has posted a nude or a semi-nude picture of themselves or somebody else online. That's a horrific statistic. That's a spooky statistic. And I can tell you in our experience, in working on the rescue side of human trafficking, working with survivors, working with victims, I can tell you that in the majority of those cases, this is where it started. This is where the manipulation started. They jumped online, or they, via social media or online texting, sent a picture that they thought, that they trusted somebody was going to keep confidential in their care. And when a rift happened or a breakup happened, then what we now call revenge porn was introduced, and now that picture has been sent out, it's been distributed, and there's a lot of things that go along with that, from child pornography, the possession of, the transmission of, that's far beyond what this presentation is. But understand that that is the mindset of our students today. 1 in 5 girls is sexually exploited, either raped or abused, molested, before they even reach the age of 18. 1 out of 5, 1 in 6 boys is sexually abused before they reach the age of 16. And now, we look at that just a little bit different because, of course, in our society, especially our Western culture, the man is the tough one, the one that holds their emotions, that's stoic in every situation. And so the whole adage of boys don't cry then comes into play. And so we don't speak. We don't talk about it. We don't share our feelings, and we just carry that hurt. They carry that burden for a very long time. So looking at the predators and how they have changed in their mode of operation, and the difference now in our victims and who is being victimized, it's very important for us to know.
For more information about how you, your business, or your community can be empowered to recognize and report human trafficking and the sexual exploitation of minors, or how you can protect the kids in your life against victimization, visit us at americaunchained.org. The America Unchained Project, empowering everyone to take their place in the fight against human trafficking and the sexual exploitation of minors.